basic Linux command list. I also use Linux 20 point uh, Ubuntu 20.04. List of names of the file and subdirectory in the current directory. We can use ls list file. We can enter ls. When you enter ls command, you will get all information about current directory. The ls command will you will show list and directory of the current directory. And ls hyphen a, this command you will show uh, all files and directory with hide directory and files. This is hided file dot dot double dot. This is hided file. Then ls hyphen l. This command you will show all information about current directory, how many directory, and how many file, and all information uh, which time this file is generated or developed. All this in information show this command ls hyphen uh, l. This is a permission, which is directory or which is file. This is when d is first, this is directory, otherwise all file. This is directory, they showed first d. This all is directory, and other is file. This command you can also use like ll. This will show same information. Ll command also ll, and you will show same information using ll command. Also ls hyphen ltr, this command is also working same.
Go ahead, please hide this stop sharing thing. Okay, sorry.
Ls hyphen ltr is showing same. Then when can move another directory using cd command. Cd means change directory. Using cd desktop, we can move another directory. Now we are in desktop. Our current directory is desktop. Then we can change our present working directories uh, using pwd command. We will give where we are working. This command will give where we are working. Home Govind desktop. This is also a good command in Linux. Then clear. Clear command is used for clear the screen. Clear. Otherwise, you can also use cd. We are using cd hyphen, sorry, cd dot dot. This command we can go one directory back. Now previous we are in desktop directory, and cd dot dot we are in one directory back. Now we are in only home directory. And ll, you can also use control l. Then we can, but this will be go up. Control l, this will be helpful for a clear screen, but they see above, and in clear command they don't see above. You can check os related information using cat etc os hyphen release. This command you will show uh, which operating system you are use and what's operating system's version, ID, ID like Debian means which flavor we are using. I am using Debian, pretty name, version, all this information about operating system, cat etc os release command show. Then top command, you can uh, check your CPU utilization using top command. Top hyphen I. This command you will show CPU utilization of your command. This is my custom recording is also on. That's why it's showing first time. Chrome. This also showing a CPU utilization. Or you can use Control C, then then back, and this is PID. Using PID, we can kill process using PID. This is user means root user, Govind, and other, yeah, root and Govind both. PR means priority and time when started, and command means where I started means using Chrome, Kazam. This all this all showing CPU utilization of our operating system. This is also good. We can kill our sudo kill. We can kill our CPU utilization processor using pod PID process ID using command sudo kill. Then you can enter process ID. Then our processor will be dead or kill using this sudo kill command. Clear sudo su. Sudo su command is helpful for super user. We can directly go in super user, enter password, and now you don't need to use sudo. You got a super user privilege using sudo su command. This is also a powerful command in Linux. Kill create directory. We can using we can using mkdir command. We can create a directory using mkdir command. Mkdir means make directory. Mk means make directory. And I am creating one directory DevOps double one and enter. I created DevOps double one, and here we'll be going this part. This is the permission about our file. Means this first three is user permission, and this is for another user, and this is for group permission. Using cat command, uh, we can create we can create tag. We can create file with content, and we can also using cat command. This is Govind, and control D. This will be file save cat. file. This will show you containers all using cat command. Using touch command, we can create blank file, touch demo. Here one blank file is created demo. And touch command we can also use for touch demo 1, 1 to 10. This command will be create 10 file using demo 1 1, demo 1 2, demo 1 3 to 10. This file will be create 10. Now we can see, wait, sorry, touch. This command will, wait, I think something is wrong. Okay, I will show you. Using touch command. Yes, see, using this command, touch test 1 to 10, test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4. This will be created 10 file using 1, 2, 3, 4. This command is used to uh, create multiple file at a time. Touch command. We can check your disk space using df-h. Hyphen means you will get input in human readable language. We can using df-h command. This you df-h command, you will showing information about disk spaces. This is our disk spaces, and h means in human readable language means this information you will show in GB format or MB format. This is 3.9 or Surya FS C group system FS C group. This is Dev. This is my architecture of disk space. This will be show df-h command. This will be show this all this information. Do command is used for do-h. This command will get information about our directory space. Means when you are in current directory and you need a storage information of current directory and uh, files, this will command show you your current directory detail about disk spaces. This will be using 4.2K, and this documents directory using 568 MB spaces. We will also see.
Just hold on, Vivin.
Okay.
Yeah. Are you understanding these things? Harsha, Anusha, Sai, or any doubts you can ask Govind if you want. So far, so good.
Yeah, I'm good, Mohit.
Yes, Mohit. Yeah, basic comments. Maybe we can go into the details also.
Your voice is not clear, Sai.
So regarding the basic comments, these are very important comments, right? So
Right.
we can go slow.
Okay.
I feel like.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, no worry. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And one more thing, I'll be dropping off. Okay. Hope I have included everyone in the group which I've recently created, DevOps training, all four of you.
Yes, Mohit. You got it.
Harsha, have I included you? I'm not sure.
Yeah, you included me. I got the notification.
Okay, that's fine. So what I'll do is I'll
Yeah.
drop off from this meeting, and maybe I'll request you to drop off, you all to drop off as well, and Govind will share a link,
Okay.
and you can join on that link. Is that fine?
Okay, sure.
Recording. Then pwd command is will show the current directory where is we are working. Then cp command is used for copy file one directory to another directory using cp test one copy from wait copy from this directory to cp and go to downloads wt cp command is you we can copy this file from this directory to this one and desktop. Now go to desktop directory, then we can check copied or not. Test one file is copied, and we can use mu command for move or rename the directory. We can use for both uses. Move, we can use move directory and rename directory using mv command. Mv test 2 test 1 2. Now I am mm, rename the directory name of test 2 test only, and this is the old name of file, and this is the now I am giving this name test and enter ll test. We are successfully removed sorry moved means rename the file name. Whom command is uh, which user are you using or which user are you working. Who I am means this command already show who I am. I am now using a root user. That's why he's showing root. And who I am command is very helpful for Linux user. And DevOps, whenever we go for DevOps, will be uh, useful for all this command. You know about all this command. Echo command is used to print value. print values. This command is useful for shell script. Means shell script is a part of Linux command. Whenever we can combine one or more command, this this is called as shell script. And shell script is also a important part for DevOps engineer for automation part. Echo command print as value. Will man command is useful for manual information about command. Means when you are use your echo, then man, sorry, echo means echo printing directly, man. This will be show all information about echo command. Echo command display the line text, description, synopsis, all this information. Whenever you don't know about any command, you can randomly control C. You can randomly use man command, then df. This will be get all information about command. Df report file system. Wait for I will. This will be useful for df man command for you will get all information about command df, then option and file name. Means uh, how can use this command. This will all information will get using man command. Description, in description we will get all information. This manual phase document GU version of df, all information will get using man command option. How can we use hyphen a, hyphen b, hyphen h human readable format, hyphen h, capital H. Means in Linux, capital and uppercase and lowercase is also a good part. Whenever we use capital, command did not run because we only need to command type in small case cd. Then we are to directory back. Now we are in home directory root. Go to cd download cd root ls cd pwd cd root ls cd snap anyways. Okay, man command is very useful for Linux. Whenever we don't know about any command information, we can randomly enter man and command name. Okay, they will be not providing. They will be not providing information about cd. I think they saying I'll know about cd command. Once man, then use mm, ls command. This will show all information about ls command. Control C. You can move. Find command. We can find the file and a directory. In our current directory, we can use find command. Find. This will be showing all information about Nbox. Find is very useful. Wget and curl command is used for uh, whenever we need to something download from internet, we can use wget command. Using wget then link, we can download the all format, all file from internet using wget and curl command. Grep. Grep is also a very useful command in DevOps. We can search ingress, name, and directory list using this command graph. This will be showing in red format. My graph is not running. Something is problem at sudo pwd ls download. We can use grep command. Grep wait, cat demo. I can create one file. File one. This is Govind. I am engineer. This will be using control D. This will you can save using control D. Cat and file name is file file double one. Now we can using grep command we can search Govind. Cat file double one pipe grep and search Govind. This is Govind. This is showing in red format. Do you understand? Hello,
Yeah, Govind.
hello guys.
It's clear. It's
Okay,
clear.
okay. Do you have any doubt? We can feel freely reach to out reach me.
Yeah,
Hello.
Govind. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
It's clear. As of now,
Okay.
everything is clear because these are all commands and
Okay.
self-explanatory. So it's good.
Okay. Thank you. And you can use text editor for edit the text. Means a text editor is actually two important text editor. One is Nano and another is VI. We are most use Nano and VI. Using Nano, and now I am creating one DevOps file. You can enter. Wait, I will create Nano DevOps.cell. I can enter some cbang SSL script echo. We can print. This is a Linux class. Yeah, I have created one DevOps file, devops.ssh using nano text editor. Uh, I will show you how to save this file using Control O. We can save Control O, then enter. We can save this file using Control X. We can exit this file using. Once again, I will show you using Control O. We can save, and using Control X O, then enter. Then using Control X, we can exit this file, nano command, and using vi command. I'm using DevOps. Wait, vi command you can exit using escape semicolon and q and exclamatory will be exit without saving. I think this file is not so yeah, so using vi devops dot sh, this will be show same information. We can save and exit using command first colon, sorry, semicolon, then wq enter. These are the editor, and now we can see about permission. There are three permission. First for user, and second for other user, and third for group user. You know this one. This first three is a read, write, and execution. Three permission is first three for the uh, user, means now I am using root, and for this root, this three for the root user, rwx, and rwx means this second for another other user, and this third for group user, means only root user have a write and read permission, and other user is only read permission, and group user is also only group user member only they can read, they don't write this file. And this is very helpful because in Linux OS they assign some number, they assign some number in Linux, means for read, write, and execution they provide some number, means for read they provide 1, they provide for write 2, and 4. Wait, once I confirm, 4 3 is equal to 7. and using chmod command, change mode. Using this command, we can give permission. Firstly, I will confirm. Firstly, I will give one permission to 300 means 3 means only I am granted permission to granting permission to only user, main user means root user. They need to read and write. Wait, I will give other user permission using this command and using test4 test4 enter test4 have a write and execution permission means write and execution is number is 3 means this is
Govin, one doubt. If you go back
okay.
to that screen,
Yes, yes.
there you can see for one file it is DRW. So what is
Okay.
D there?
D means directory. I already said. DRW means all this file is directory.
Okay, so the below files are the files in the directory, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so
These are the
individual
files in the
file.
directory. This is the individual file and this is the subdirectory of current directory. Means this is all D denoted you to this is the directory.
Showing that it is a directory. Okay,
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
okay, and XR. What is XR? In the
X
same thing, DRW XR, right?
where dr
Uh,
huh
the,
R means readable format. This file
uh,
is this directory is in for user, for main user. This is for means uh, now I am using root user. For root they have a permission read write and execution
okay, okay,
rwx. uh, and this
okay,
is for other user and this is for group user. Yeah, I am now showing this same you.
okay.
This is one, this is a two, and this is four. They count four. Now you can give only user permission for all permission using command chmod. Mm, I will give you. Now I am giving only read and write permission to. Firstly, I will give read and write permission for test4 file for main user means root user using 0 sorry value of read and write is 4 plus 2 6 6 0 0 0 0 means 6 is value for main user, then on other user, then group user, then enter, then text 4. Now we can see here we got a read and write here file number text file 4. Now I am granted only read and write permission for only user. User can see only this file. Only root user can see here root user
And
using
the group user doesn't have any permissions to read,
yes,
write.
yes, doesn't.
Okay, okay,
You can give group user permission using command chmod. Then 00 means we have 404 means only I am giving permission to user, main user and group user, not for other user using test and 4. Now where is test 4? 40 For using giving only right permission. Okay, a value assigned to read. That's why they only write permission for read and write permission. We need to give six value 606 test double L and here 4 for main user and group user have only permission to read and write. We can give other permission like we need to all permission for all user and all group using ch mode 777 then test for now we can see all permission for all user. They can write, read, execute all this permission, all this operation. Is it clear? Yesterday cover we some command. First repeat all this, then we can start to today's session. Let's start. First command is ls. Ls means we can see subdirectory and files in current directory. ls-a is command is useful for hide as well as subdirectory and files. ll and ls hyphen ltr ls hyphen l, all this command is useful for list the name of files and directory with headed file and subdirectory with detail means uh, when created, date, time, and also we can see about permission. Change directory using cd command we can change directory, back directory or navigate directory using cd hyphen dot dot. This command you can navigate the directory. Check os detail we can using cat etc os hyphen release command we can check the uh, os detail. Check cpu utilization using top hyphen I command you can use cpu utilization. Kill processor using kill command you can kill the processor using using processor id. Mkdir we can create a uh, we can make or create a directory using mkdir command. Mk means make directory. Create file using cat command you can create file cat and file name. Touch command using touch command we can create a blank file or using touch command we can create a lot of multiple blank file using test and in bracket 1 to 10, then you can create a multiple file. Using cat command you can see content of file and file name. Check disk space using df-h. You can check disk space of your computer using df-h. Check list size means when you are in current directory you need to all files and you need all disk spaces of our current directory using du-h. You can check all file size. Check ram space you can using free-h you can check ram space. How to see where I am using pwd command. Pwd means present working directory. Copy file one location to another using cp command. Move file or rename file using mv command. Which user are you using they you can see using who I am command. Which user are you using. Print some value using echo command You will get description about Linux command. Means you need any help about any command, you can use man. find Find a directory or file using find command. Download file from internet using wget command or curl command. Search string file or directory using grep. Find the directory and files is repeated. Text editor can two most popular text editor in Linux: VI editor and Nano editor. Most DevOps engineer are most use VI editor, and VI editor we can save from escape. Yes, escape plus colon, then WQ. We can save and escape. You can without save you can exit using escape. Escape, control colon, then Q exclamatory. Save. Without save you can exit. And finally we covered permission. You have Do you have any question about yesterday's class? Okay, let's start today's permission class. In Linux there are three user: one user, and second is another user, and group user. They also three user also have permission, and we can assign permission using number. For read we can use 4, for write we can use 2, and for execution we can use 1, and all total is 7. Using 7 we can give all permission to user or other user and group user using ch mode command, change mode. And first one is uh, goes to user, and second one is used to go to other user, and third one is used to group user and then file name. We can use this format. Then you can using last command, you can check last system login, who is login and which user we are using last command. We can check the last using it clear last. Once enter last command, we got some information about user, who is logged in, and time down. All this thing go in user. This means me. I using this Wednesday 7/4. Still logging in. Reboot system reboot. Crash. Still all information will got using a last command. Using tail command we can see print first 10 line. Using head command we can see uh, sorry, using tail command we can see last 10 line, and using head command we can use first 10 line. Now we can create one file. I can one I create one file. vi int, and I copy this all data. Enter, copy paste. Now we can save and seal first. Cat hint, and we can check up now. Head, once enter head, you can see 10 line. First line is list of the name of the file and subdirectory. All this is using cat and our file name hint and head. Once enter all this, we got first 10 line of the file. Now using cat hint pipe and tail, you will get last 10 lines. Now we can see the file. Using nano command hint, this will be last, but we can delete all. A, control O, then enter, control X, cat hint tell. Now we will get last 10 line. This is move and all this. This is for tail and head. Head means we will get first 10 line, and tail means we will get last 10 line. Create tar file. You can create tar file using tar cf and compressed file name. Means we can give any file name and .tar and file name. We can create tar file. Now we have one directory, DevOps. I will go to DevOps. Okay, I will create one directory. That directory, go in, file is already exist. Remove Govind, RM, open ref, Govind, directory and move some data. Forward slash star means we can move all test related file in wait pwt. We can use also mv star and test and directory of this, and you can also use this one. Wait, no file with directory. Wait. You can navigate by directory, move test 1 test 11 to this directory, paste. No file or directory, mv test test 1 and copy file one. Actually this have only we can copy text 4. Text 4 have all permission. Okay, now go to cd and go in. Here we got some file. Now navigate directory. Now using this go in, we can create one tar file using command tar -cv cf create file and give name govin.tar, or we can govin.tar, then my file name govin. Tar is created. I will show you this tar is created tar file. Now we can compress this file using tar extract tar file using tar xf means extract file, tar extract file using command tar extract file and govin.tar. Now we can extract. First we need to delete first one, then we can extract. Remove half, copy, paste. I have removed this file, govin file, and now I can remove. Now I can tar. Now got a govin file. Here you can see I removed, then I extract tar file. I got a govin file. Now I can go inside the govin. I will got all information, text 1, text 4, all this. We can using this command is very useful in DevOps because sometime we need to collect some logs file and create one tar file, and you will need to, I will need to, or we will need to send someone from R&D team and other team to monitor all logs and research for logs using tar command. We can tar hyphen xv going using this command. We can extract tar file and using tar hyphen cv. Otherwise you can also use c hyphen f means create file go win dot tar and uh, which file using you can create tar means this file. All this for tar you can using this command and extract tar using tar except means extract file govin.tar. We need to tar this file using this command. This is also about tar file. Then using who command we can display who is currently logged in the system with the who command. Means using who command. Now Govind, you know this one, this user Govind, Govinda is logged in. Use all information you got using who command. Add user, we can create one user in Ubuntu. We can using add user command, you can create one user. Add user and username is DevOps. I created. Now I will give a password. I created one user in my uh, Ubuntu 20.04. I created one user. Otherwise you can also give password using password and username. This command using we can give also password. One. They said password update successfully using this command. You can create one user and set password using password command. Create group, we can create group. I will create one group. Add and group name. Group add and group name is Govind. And I created one group using group add command and add a user to group using user mode hyphen ag group name and username. I have created both using command user mode hyphen ag user mode hyphen ag and group name is Govind1. I will adding this user in this group using this command user mode hyphen ag Govind. Then username DevOps I have added. We can also cd etc. Here we got some user info. Bash cron job. Cron job is also whenever we need to some trigger manually, we can use cron dot daily. We can set some value, then we can triggers automatically using cron. And here is some host file. Okay, this is host file, host id. You can check now. Cat and find host. Where is host? Okay, what's copy? We'll get all in information about user and host using multi-on. The order line is only used by old version of the C library. PI. Now only this information is stored. I will check. Using host.com, host ID, host name, copy, host name. This is my host name. I am using there, and I think host ID means that host ID means your IP address. We can see using this. We can see IP address. OS release. Yeah, host ID. Nothing is showing. We can't change here file. Whenever we can change this file, your OS will be crash. You can check all host file. First grep host. You can see now profile. Here we got a group. Last time we created go with group, and I added DevOps user in go with group. Last time I created, you can say all user, and this is user, this is also user, this is user, this one is also user, this one is also user, all the user. You can see all user related data. You can see all user and user and group group info using below command cat and group using cat etc and group. We will get all information about group and user. All information we will get using this command. Now then you can then using I will show all etc directory using password. We can check password. We'll got all information about also user and group. Where is user, where is group? Govind user is home, Govind bin bash home, DevOps bin bash Rajkumar. All this information we got in password. Then it is the OS release. Where is OS release? We will get all information about OS using OS command. Where is OS? OS hyphen release. We have we already covered OS hyphen release, but now I will show you OS hyphen release. We will get all information about operating system. cd go to home directory. We can see we can delete user using user delete command, user dl and username. User last time we created user DevOps, I think user delete and DevOps user is deleted. Now we can check using this command. Sorry, we can see using DevOps is created. Last time I think we have got DevOps name here, but now DevOps is deleted. Now we can create Govind using command user delete, then Govind. Now Govind will be removed. Now we can delete Govind 1. This is not exist. User delete. I think this is we can see hardware related all configuration information using ls-hw. We will get all information about hardware, how many RAM you can use, and how many uh, hard disks, all this, all related things will get using L- lshw command. Description, product, Dell, series, width, capability, configuration, description, product, vendor, physical, all this information will get using this command. Vendor, then physical series, all fireware, all information we will get using this command lshw. And you can encrypt one file using gpg-c and file name command, and decrypt using this. I will show you. Okay. Hi. Using sudo hyphen su, you go in super user, clear screen, go to download directory, downloads. Now we can create one, means I will encrypt one file using gpg-c command, gpg-c, and file name is Govin. I will encrypt this Govin file, paste. Give, we need to give some passphrase. Wait, passphrase. Now directory. Okay, we can't encrypt directory. We can encrypt only file. gpg govin.tar gpg-c. I will give some passwords. I encrypted file. Wait, we can encrypt other file. Which file is contain some text? Go to Govin directory, and I will create one. Okay, in hint directory I got something. Okay, I can gpg-c hint and give some passwords. I encrypted file. We can see this file. Now we can't see this file. How possible, man? Alas, sorry. Alas, where is hint? Hint.gcp is created. Then we need to delete this file. rm-rf hint, deleted hint file. Now you can see hint.gp GPG. You can see only decrypted code here, encrypted code. You can using this command gpg -c, then file name. We can decrypt file, and we can sorry, encrypt file. We can decrypt file using gpg and file name gpg, and file name is DevOps dot gpg. Encrypted. Now I'm trying to guess what you mean. Encrypted data. You can see where is hint file. Created one hint file. You can using cat hint command. We will get all information, and is also done. Using time command, we can see time, time real user system. Okay, using that command we will get time. Sorry, using this command, this is ist time. Using that command, and using shutdown command, your system will be shut down. Using reboot command, your system will be reboot. And once I revise all things, using date command, we can see date, time. Using date and using file and date, means I created a hint file today, and date, wait, hint 5 date and hint. Okay. I will get information about hint, but the hint date. Okay, I will show you hint date. Hint. Okay, I will tell you tomorrow. You can see date. You can see all user and group info using cat etc group command. Using decrypt file, using you can decrypt file using gpg and all file name .gpg. Encrypt file gpg-c. You can list hardware configuration information lshw. Delete user using user del command. Add user to group. Whenever we want to add one user in group, using user mode -ag, group name and username. Username means which user we want to add in this group. We can add username, create username, group create using group id, group add and group name. Set password of user using pass command, pass wd, and username. Add user using add user and username, and display who is currently logged in the system with the who command. You can see who is logged in. ext- extract tar file using tar. Xf means extract file, and compressed file dot tar, you can using this command we can extract file, we can compressed file or create tar file using this command. We can see last 10 line using tail command. We can see using head command, we can see first 10 line of the string or of the file. Using last command, we can see who is logged in last time, and uh, how many how many user are used used last time, we can see. And this is also about user permission. You need to know all things about user permission. Actually, this is a very important topic. We need some granted permission to the user file and other. That's why you need to know all these things. Editor, two important editor, vi and nano. We can use vi using escape colon wq. Without save, you can use this one. We can save nano file using means control o, control plus o, then enter, then enter. You can save, then exit using control plus x. We can save, and without save you can directly control plus x. Find the directory using find command, grep directory or file or string using grep command, download file from internet using wget command, using man command you will get description of linux command. Using echo, you can print value, you can print string, who I am. This will be uh, we will show whose user you are logged in and which user you are using. mu command, you can move directory or you can rename directory. cp command, you can copy file. pwd command means present working directory. When you are I am working this directory, you can use pwd. You will got where I am, and you can check ram space using free -h -s. -h means human readable format. du -h checklist size and directory size. df-h, we will get information about disk space. Using cat command, we can see content. We can combine two file using cat command. Also make directory, you can make new directory. Kill command, you can kill the processor using kill command. You can you will get information about OS using this cat etc OS release. And cd change directory, cd dot dot change means we can go release directory, or will be we can navigate directory using cd command. ll, you will get all information about uh, current directory. We will show hide as well as all files and directory using ll command. ls and ls hyphen a and ll, but most useful command are these: ll, ls hyphen ltr, ls hyphen l, all these working same. We can stop here. Hello.